Hey everyone, want to create a catchy video ads that will grab attention without needing to be a pro? Let me show you how easy it is to design awesome video ads on Canva. No stress, just a few clicks and your brand new ad is ready to go. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a video ads with canva.com. So firstly, all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So let's know first where is Canva. Canva is an easy-to-use online design tool that helps you create stunning video ads, social media posts, and more. Even if you have no design experience or any experience with Canva. With tons of templates, animations, and simple editing features, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life. Perfect for making ads that stand out. So all I have to do right now is just click over apply now, and you have to link your personal information such as email address and your password. Then you get started with Canva, and then you'll find this page as you can see. I don't have here the button of sign up and log in the top right, but I have here my profile. That's why, because I already signed up with Canva and it's not my first time to join this platform or this website. Then you'll find other page after you're signing up, and right now all I have to do is just search here your content and canvas. Then you search for whatever you want. For example, let's searching for reels here, and you'll find here various templates. You can just select the one you want. As you can see, and we have various templates with a different options. For example, here we have a button of see all. I will just click over it to see all these templates as you can see. Right, we can just come back here to the home page, and you have just to click over create design in the top left, and you select here the first one, which is videos, or you can just click over custom size and you select here the width, the height, and the units as well. You select inches if you want, millimeters or centimeters, and then you click over create a new design and you get started. All right, so let's just come back here and let's just search in here for videos. Where is it? We'll just here select videos, then I will click over video first one. Then you'll find these templates as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just go to the design and you search for the specific template that you want. For example, let's just select in one of this. For example, let's just select in the first one. I think it's better, and I will just here delete this one. I will delete it, then I will delete also this one. Then I will delete this one as well. Then I will delete also this one. I will just make my design. All right, so let's just get started right now. Stick around to watch how we can do that, and I'll just put this one here like that, and here we have it here, and I'll just put this one like that, and here we have it. And I will just add a text here, and then I will just here select also this option of, as you can see, we have also here for edit. If you want to here the option of border style, corner round and crop, then we have here for flip, and also above flip you'll find here horizontal and vertical. Then we have also here transparency, and then we have here the rise and the position as well. Then we have here how it looks right now, as you can see. You can also add your voiceover if you want by clicking over uploads. Then you start record yourself by clicking over here, and you start here firstly to delete here the camera, then you start recording like that, and here we have it how it looks. All right, then also if you want to add a comment, if you want to hear duplicate, or if you want to more here, if you want a link, if you want to add up various things, that's why I choose Canva. All right, so right now we'll just go to the text and they will add a heading like that. I will put it here in the middle, and I will just here put more size. As you can see, the size I make it more. just here add shoes basketball, and here we have it how it looks right now. I will add here choose basketball, and here we have it. Right now we'll just here go to the audio and they will add a music. For example, we have this music, so as you can see, you can just select the music that you want. And as you can see, also you can here add your voiceover if you want, as I said. And right now I will just here go to the uploads, and I will here select add a page. I will click over add a page, then I will just here add this one. Alright, so this is my shoes that I will sell, and here we have it. Right now I will just click over here to see how it looks. Here we have the shoes. Then you can also add a music if you want to add a voiceover. Then you click over here to see how it looks. Here we have it as is. Then you click over share if you're done, and you click over here the option of anyone can access design using this link, no sign required. Then you click over here to see all this options to share your template. If you want to public your link, present template link, present record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website. Then here we have it. Also, we have here if you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom out as well. Then we have here scroll view. We have also here grid view. We have preview, and we have here as Canva, and we have also other options here such as elements, text, print. We have here draw, uploads, and also we have projects, application, audio, and QR code as well. Right? Then we have here design as well. You have just to select the template as I did, and this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. So Canva makes creating video ads quick and easy with its user-friendly tool and templates. It's perfect for businesses working to design professional content without the complexity. Bring your ideas to life and capture attention in just a few clicks. So you can just right now to open your browser and dive into canva.com, then you will sign in up and you get started with Canva. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.